Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark or tags in your video with Davinci Resolve. So I'm using Davinci Resolve 19 public beta. This is the free version. So all you have to do now for practice, you can create new project. So this is you can test out your video. Here we go. You can upload your video by click file, import, and click media. This is for first time using Davinci Resolve. So you can click change, and here we go. So now you can click edit, then drag your video, then move to the color. Here we go. So you can search your watermark. For example, this one, the watermark, text, or icon that you want to remove. Here you can click this tools icon, so you can choose the curve, this one with the pen icon. Now you can block with this curve option that object that you want to remove, like watermark, text, or a icon. Here we go, as simple as that. Here you can try to rearrange or readjust. Now, for example, the next step is click this tracker icon, then simply click this to begin. You can click track forward. Starting forward tracking, you have to wait until it's done. So here the tracker is stopped right now, and next step, you can try to use this library, search object removal. Here we go, object removal, resolve fx effects. Drag this object removal to this box, and here we go. So you can click to begin analyze background scene or scene analysis. Again, you have to wait until the analyzing is finished. So now the scene analysis is complete. For the next step, you can create a clean plate here. So here you can turn off this curve effect before. So simply click build clean plate, and as you can see, now the icon, the text, or the watermark is gone. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So thanks button below. See you in the next video.